Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. And I am immensely excited to show you guys how these curtains came out. Now, this is the before. This is when there was nothing on there. This was a couple of months ago, okay? And I had to wait to get more fabric because of the pandemic. But look at what we have. All right, you guys, so before I start this Tupperware bin, I had to show you guys the curtains. I finished them. I made all of these curtains. Fabric from Walmart, rings that the rod goes through. Also bought those from Walmart and put those on manually. And I am really happy with it. Really happy with it. It gives so much shade in this room. On the other side of the room, as you can see, is the courtyard in the middle of the house. Like I said, the courtyard's in the middle of the house. And so we're gonna leave those like that. I might buy some during the summertime, like some blinds to put up there. You know, but it doesn't really get that hot in here coming from this side of the house. It's normally the back of the house. And so I made these. I want to bring some color in, like I need more color. But to give it more of a tropical feel, and it goes really well with the courtyard furniture. So when you open the front door, you can see all of this from the front door. And so it's a nice little view. And it does its job. It covers up what I need for it to cover. So I do need to, steam them so that they can lay better. But overall, you guys, I'm very happy with them. I'm very happy with them. Yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. The curtains are finally finished because, see, for the longest time, this one right here, I didn't have that. That was a white curtain. I had white panels up there because they had ran out of fabric at Walmart. Go figure, right? Pandemic. Fabric gone. So it took a while, maybe about a month and a half to find some more fabric, but I eventually did, and so now it's up hanging. I just finished it yesterday, and I'm going to show you guys some footage of that right now. And we are in the mix of it. So here you see me just cutting the holes out of the different panels to make room for the little clips that go on there. Like I said, you need to get those from either Walmart, or you can get it from Hobby Lobby, Joann's fabric store. You can get them from Amazon at this point. They're not expensive. They're about $5, and they will fit your curtains very well. You want to make sure that you get a pack for every 2 panels. So each pack, I think it has about 8 in there, 8 little rings, front and back, so 16 pieces. And it will do 2 panels of curtains. So make sure that you get the right amount of panels and the right amount of rings for those panels, okay? And as you can see here, it's a quick 1, 2, 3 snap and go. Okay, you cut out the hole, and next thing you know, you've got yourself some new curtains. And there you have it, folks. That is how I got these beautiful tropical curtains up and done. Okay, I think it was probably about, it was probably about 12 to 14 yards of fabric that was used in this process. So I probably spent about a good $300 maybe. And the curtain rods I got from Walmart. So those were from Walmart, and I got the cheap ones really. I think I paid $10 for them. And they came out really well. Here you see me showing a close up of all the threads. I did use like a lime green for the thread, so it came out really nice. And this is my first time making curtains, surprisingly. This is my first time making curtains. I'm sure I'll do it again. Like I said, I do need to steam everything so that everything lays better as far as it pillowing on the floor there. But overall, I am really happy with how everything came out. I'm super excited to have all 3 panels up instead of just 2, because please, you guys, if you're gonna do a project, get more than what you need in fabric. I've learned this the hard way several times. I am thinking about doing this other side. I'm not sure yet if that's what I want to do though. But thank you for checking in, you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. As always, stay wrapped in scraps. Don't let your creativity be contained, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.